Good morning class 10th. Welcome back to the online videos. Today in chapter number 4. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is carbon and its compounds. And in carbon and its compound, today we are going to start a new topic and the name of the topic is isomers. What is the name of the topic? The name of the topic is isomers. First of all, we go through the definition of isomers. What are isomers? The organic compounds, having same molecular formula, but different structure, having same molecular formula but different structures, are called isomers. And the existence of two or more organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structures are called isomerism. So what are isomers? The organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different structures are called isomers. And when two or more organic compounds exist in nature having same molecular formula but different structures are called isomerism. The property is called isomerism. It means isomerism, it is the property due to which the organic compounds form isomers. Now we are going to understand isomers by taking some examples. And examples related to the hydrocarbons, because we have to study about the hydrocarbons. And remember one thing, the isomers start with 4 carbon atoms. The isomers starts with 4 carbon atoms, not with 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms in the chain. Why? Because in the isomer the arrangement of the carbon takes place. And the arrangement of the carbon takes place when the number of carbon atom is 4 or more than 4. So therefore we are going to start the isomers with number of 4 carbon atoms in a chain. IPSC nomenclature of functional group is deleted from your syllabus. Only isomers and homologous series are there along with the properties of carbon catenation, allotropes of carbon and saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now isomers start with the 4 carbon atom. And we know that now in the saturated hydrocarbon, the 4 carbon compound is called C4H10, C4H10 and it is called butane. Now, in butane there are 4 carbon atoms with 10 hydrogen atoms. Now, when we just draw the structure of butane, there are 2 possible structures which we are able to draw with the molecular structure C4H10. That is the normal structure of butane. This is the normal structure of butane, and therefore it is known as normal butane. Normal butane. Now, this butane, the structure of this butane can be drawn like that also. Just see the examples carefully. Just go through these 2 structures. The second structure also containing the 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this carbon chain also containing the 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, and the number of hydrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number of hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It means the molecular formula that is C4 and H10. C4H10 is common. It means both the organic compound containing the 4 carbon atoms along with the 10 hydrogen atoms. It means their molecular formula is same. Molecular formula is same. That is C4H10. What is the name of this compound? The name of this compound is the second carbon containing the methyl group. Therefore, it becomes 2-methyl group. 2-methyl, the 3 carbon atoms are there, so therefore it becomes 2-methyl propane. It becomes 2-methyl propane. It becomes 2-methyl propane. In both the conditions, both the organic compounds containing the 4 carbon atoms and the number of hydrogen atom is 10. It means both the organic compound contains 4 carbon atoms followed by the 10 hydrogen atom, and their molecular formula is C4H10. The molecular formula is same, but their structure are quite different. All the carbon are in a straight chain, whereas one carbon is in the branch chain. So therefore it is your branch hydrocarbon and it is your straight carbon chain or straight hydrocarbon. So therefore the structure of these 2 are different. Structure are quite different from one another, but their molecular formula are same. So therefore these 2 organic compounds, these 2 different organic compounds are called isomers, are known as isomers. Why? Because their molecular formula are same and structures are quite different. So therefore these 2 are called isomers of each other. And the property due to which the 2 different organic compound having the same molecular formula, different structure, so therefore this property is known as the property of isomerism. Now, We are going to see some more examples. After the 4 carbon atom, when we move the next hydrocarbon, then we found that the next hydrocarbon contains 5 carbon atom, having the 5 carbon atom. So therefore it becomes C5H12. C5H12. Now we are going to see what are the possible isomers in the case of C5H12. The first possible structure of 5 carbon atom in a chain. The positions are occupied by the hydrogen atom. This structure belongs to normal pentane. Now the second one, one possible structure of C5H12 is like that. What is the name of this organic compound? The name of this organic compound is 2-methyl butane. 2-methyl butane.